A car trash can keeps your vehicle clean, organized, hygienic, and prevents clutter during drives. My today's video is about top 5 best car trash can that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Creathing Car Trash Can. The Touring 2-gallon car trash can is a premium solution for keeping your vehicle clean, organized, and odor-free. With a large 2-gallon capacity and adjustable strap, it fits securely on consoles, floors, or headrests in any car, SUV, truck, or van. The included strap extension ensures a wobble-free, stable hold for all vehicle types. Designed for hassle-free maintenance, it features a detachable leak-proof liner for no-touch disposal, while proprietary side flaps secure grocery bags for easy swapping. The weighted base, anti-slip bottom, and precision-fit straps ensure spill-free operation, and the smart lid traps odors, keeping your interior fresh. Beyond waste management, the Touring Trash Can doubles as a road cooler, with thick foam insulation to keep drinks and snacks chilled, plus 3 outer pockets for storing pet supplies, travel essentials, or accessories. Crafted from heavy-duty, tear and stain-resistant materials, it's built to last, offering durable performance, convenience, and a cleaner, more comfortable driving experience, a must-have for any vehicle. Now our second product is Ihotder Car Trash Can. The Ihotder Car Trash Bag is a versatile and practical accessory designed to keep your vehicle clean, organized, and clutter-free. Featuring an adjustable strap and collapsible design, it can be securely attached to front or back headrests, as well as the center console, providing easy access for all passengers. Its compact, foldable shape ensures convenient storage when not in use. A standout feature is the 4 magnetic snaps, which simplify replacing the trash bag. Just unsnap the used liner, insert a new one, and snap it shut. No mess, no hassle. The durable, leak-proof inner lining makes it resistant to spills, stains, and food messes, while also being easy to clean. Beyond trash storage, it doubles as a multi-purpose storage bag for cups, toys, or even as a small cooler, maximizing its value. Compatible with sedans, SUVs, and trucks, this car garbage bin is a must-have for maintaining a neat, hygienic, and convenient driving environment. Our third product is Ihotder Car Trash Can. The innovative car trash can is a clever and stylish solution for keeping your vehicle clean and organized. Its built-in 60 disposable trash bags allow for quick, one-step bag replacement, no searching for extras, saving time and hassle during drives. The spring-pushed lid, made from premium ABS, is leak-resistant and automatically closes after disposal, isolating odors and preventing spills. This ensures a clean and hygienic interior even during long trips. Designed for multi-position use, each compact can, 6.2 by 5.7 by 1.9 inches, comes with sturdy hooks for hanging on door pockets, seat backs, or other convenient locations. Despite its small size, it offers versatile storage, functioning as a trash can, organizer for umbrellas, keys, or glasses, and even as an ashtray or coin holder, perfect for use in cars or at home. With a simple, stylish design featuring 4 lid colors, black, gold, silver, rose, paired with a sleek black base, it enhances interior aesthetics while keeping your car tidy. Now number 4, Vankor Car Trash Can. The Vankor Car Trash Can with lid is a practical and versatile solution for keeping your vehicle tidy and organized. Designed to tackle messy interiors, it can be hung on the gear shift, glove box, headrest, or placed on the floor, making it suitable for any seating arrangement. Its adjustable strap ensures a secure fit, while the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. This trash can is multifunctional, featuring a spacious main compartment for garbage and 3 outer pouch pockets for tissues, wipes, snacks, umbrellas, or other small essentials. Its waterproof PVA lining prevents leaks and makes cleaning effortless, while the elastic soft rubber opening ensures litter goes in without spills. 2 side clasps securely hold disposable bags in place. With a capacity of 2.2 to 3 gallons, it's perfect for cars, SUVs, trucks, vans, RVs, boats, or buses. Durable, portable, and thoughtfully designed, the Vankor Trash Can keeps your vehicle neat while enhancing comfort and convenience on every drive. And our last choice is Tossits Car Trash Can. The Tossits Car Trash Bag is a durable and convenient solution for keeping your vehicle clean and organized. Made from industrial recycled plastics, these leak-proof disposable bags can hold cups, wrappers, bottles, diapers, tissues, paper, and everyday automotive trash without tearing, making them perfect for busy drivers and families. Each bag features smell-proof technology, locking in odors to keep your car, SUV, truck, van, RV, or boat fresh. With a large 12-inch by 15-inch size and 2-gallon capacity, they easily hang from headrests, gearshifts, or seatbacks, ideal for daily use, long road trips, camping, or stroller outings. The perforated, Tirantos design makes replacing bags quick and mess-free, eliminating spills and stress. Beyond trash, these versatile bags double as organizers for travel, tailgating, or outdoor adventures, providing functional storage wherever needed. Practical, eco-conscious, and highly versatile, Tossits Car Trash Bags are a must-have for maintaining a clean, odor-free, and organized vehicle on every drive. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.